Hi everyone, welcome to it was an unplanned video. So I've decided to do the giveaway a week early. It didn't seem to be getting any more entries on it. So I am going to be drawing that, and to celebrate that I have got 300 subbies. So thank you very much to everyone who has entered the giveaway, who subbed to my channel, who watches my channel. I appreciate you all. So I will go quiet as I'm going to have to mirror my screen and it's a bit technical for me. So I'm going to switch over. I've used a wheel picker, so I've inputted everybody's name who followed the criteria for the giveaway, and I will be drawing that in just a second. So okay, stay tuned. Well done, Angel. I'm so pleased. Please direct messages. I use Instagram, or you can use me email off my YouTube channel, and drop me all your information, because you are the winner. Thanks for watching, guys. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you're just watching this giveaway for the sake of it. And well done again, Angel. Over the moon. Now I get to watch more creativity from you with stuff that I get to send you. So that is brilliant. Thank you to everybody who entered the giveaway, and I'll see you next time. Bye.